Welcome to We're No Experts. I'm Bobby, and today I'm going to show you how to make a hard-boiled egg. You know, it took me a little while through trial and error to figure out how to make the best egg, and today I'm going to share that secret with you. I like to throw in some salt, vinegar, and oil in with my eggs when I'm boiling them. I think it gives the egg a tastier quality and it makes the shell a lot easier to crack. So without further ado, let's get cooking! Take desired amount of eggs out of the fridge. Set aside to get room temperature. Place them in a pot. Cook only as many eggs as you think you'll eat in 4 days, or else they'll start looking green and gross. Fill the pot with cold water until you cover the eggs. Add some oil, some vinegar, a little bit of salt. Turn the burner on high and cook the eggs until the water boils. Cover the eggs, and then you turn off your burner, and then you set a timer to 11 minutes. Meanwhile, get a bowl and fill it with ice. When the timer goes off, remove the pot lid and set aside, but be careful of steam, and then run the eggs under some cold water until they are no longer hot to touch. Put eggs on ice, chill for about 30 minutes, then you're ready to go. Hey guys, all done, and that was easy as 1, 2, 3. Now it's time to try one of these goodies. But before I do, I'd like to season it with pink sea salt and crushed pepper. So let's see what it tastes like. Oh, that was so good. I hope you guys enjoy yours too. Make sure to comment below and subscribe to We're No Experts by hitting subscribe. And follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, bye!